Hello, this is Anshi Jain and I'm pursuing graphic designing here in Ahmedabad. And I'm staying here in Ahmedabad as a paying guest. And I have joined Exhale Yoga in order to do uh, as I have interest in yoga. So what is yoga really? There's a lot of misconception in people mind. People think that yoga is only about getting flexible and becoming more and more strong day by day. But yoga is not only about getting flexible and becoming strong day by day. It is more about mental health. It is more about the internal organs of the body, and it is more about pranayama, meditation, and cleansing of the body. Samar sir guided us so well. He taught us the so many techniques that we have learned in Exhale Yoga. He improved. I had little bit knowledge of yoga earlier also, but he after joining Exhale Yoga, my knowledge got expanded, and I learned so many techniques. I cleared all my doubts about yoga, and I learned yoga in deep, and I learned yoga from its origin. Under the guidance of Samad sir, I got to know that yoga which is more authentic and which is more traditional, and my experience here in Exhale Yoga was so wonderful, and I got to know that yoga is time proven, and it is not invented today or yesterday. It is time proven, and we have mention of yoga in our scripts also, in Ramayana, in Mahabharata. First, I have certified in five different styles of yoga. First style is the restorative style. In restorative style, we use bolster. We do asanas with the help of bolster. And there's lot of benefits of restorative yoga. Restorative yoga helps in relaxing our whole body, and it makes our body and mind calm, and it helps in reducing the pain in our body. And another style that I have certified is aerial yoga. In aerial yoga we use hammock. Aerial yoga is not invented today or yesterday. It is time proven, and earlier people used to do aerial yoga on the branches of the tree. On the branch, it helps in getting flexibility more easily and becoming strong more easily as we float, and it helps in increasing our strength, and it helps in weight loss. And another style is power yoga. The power yoga is so famous today, and power yoga has lot of benefits today. Nowadays people like to do workout, so we can do power yoga instead of doing workout. Power yoga helps in weight loss. Another certification is flow yoga. Flow yoga is vinyasa yoga. There is Surya Namaskar in flow yoga, and there are at least 100 or 200 poses in vinyasa yoga, and it helps in increasing your strength. It helps in increasing your flexibility, and uh, and another certification is prenatal yoga. And nowadays pregnant women like to be active during their pregnancy time, and so they like to do yoga, so they can do yoga during pregnancy, as it helps in nourishment and the development of the baby. It helps in reducing swelling of the pregnant woman, helps in reducing mood swings of the, helps in lot of benefits yoga gives to the pregnant woman, and it helps in easy labor. Thank you.